Okay, so today we're going to be doing a simple milk can arrangement. Very easy. We're just going to be using probably three items. We may add in another greenery, but we're going to see how it goes before we commit to another one. So right now I've just pulled three items. So we're going to be using, well, four if you count the milk jug or the milk can. So we're just going to be using this white milk can. I think we have still some in the shop. I'm not sure. But what I have done is I added some newspapers in here, and then I sprayed it with the spray foam, the gaps and cracks, and just lightly mossed the top. Okay. So I didn't spray the whole can with the gaps and cracks. I put in some paper in here and then sprayed it with the gaps and cracks. Okay. And then we're going to be using this bundle here that we have. It's a new one we have in the shop. It comes together in a little bundle. I just already separated it for us. Then we're going to be using our Roselle spray. This is another new item. I just love it. And then we're going to be using our mini focus branches. So we're going to give this one a little bit of movement with these. So I'm going to go ahead. We're going to start with this. Okay, I lost my lights in here. I think something happened with the breaker. So, but I'm going to keep going. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. So we're going to be starting with one of these branches. I'm going to cut it down. I'm going to cut this little baby piece off of here. And I'm going to sort of give this a bend. I want to give this some movement with this design. So we're going to be kind of going up. Kind of give it a bend. So we're going to sort of be going over that way with it. I may just get me let me see if I can get it. I might get a floral pin just to hold that where I want it. Because I want it a little bit more on the side there. I'm going to glue that where I put it down in the foam. Okay. And I'm going to get another piece. And I want to go, let me cut it down a little bit more. I want to go down a little bit like that. Okay, so I have a piece kind of going up, down, creating that movement there. Okay, let's get some of our flowers added, and then we're going to fill it in with some more greenery. So I'm going to go in with this one. I'm going to cut it down. And go right kind of in there with that one. So we're going to kind of hug that branch there with that one. Before I get going too far, let's get our Roselle spray added. We're going to cut it down. I want it right about there. Okay, have it right there. We have another little piece of it that we might add. Let me cut it down. see if I want to drape it this way. I don't think so. We may use one of the buds, but I think the leaves are a little overwhelming for what I was trying to do there. So we'll save that piece. We may use the little buds. Okay, I'm going to go in with one of our other larger floral heads here, and we're going to go on this side. Okay, so I have one up there, one down here. Let's get our other large head. We're going to go in the center. Well, I say in the center, in the front. Because I want it lower. That. And then let's get one of these. We're going to put it in the back. So I'll have that one back there. Now we have these fun little, I don't know what they are, little clustery things that came in this bundle. So I think I'm going to put it sort of in front of our little Roselle spray. I'm going to cut this down. I have to put a pick on it or let me get my scissors to kind of get my hole started. Sometimes this foam can be a little tough to get in. There we go. Okay, so we added our little fun little clustery thing right there. Just adding that one there. I'm going to go in with this one. Back here. Give it a little bit of height. So poking up right there. Get our other little white one. Let's break up this burgundy a little bit in here. I'm gonna have to get my scissors again. So we have that little bud in there. How many? I got two more buds and some little greenery. And then we're gonna fill it in. We're gonna fill it in with our greenery after that. Let's see where I want this bud. I think we're gonna break up these two white ones with this one right here. Okay, so we got that little bud right there. I have one more. Got a little bit larger head on it. So let me look where I want this one. Yeah, I think we're going to put it right there. Guess it would help if I I guess I must have accidentally turned my glue gun off. Oh, you know what? I think it's on that breaker with whatever my lights are. Whatever my lights are on. So I'll have to use my glue pot. Okay. So we have all of our floral pieces. We have a couple buds of this, which I think I'm going to put right in the front. Okay, so it's kind of small. So I'm going to put a pick on it. Give it a little extra length. So that I can get it in right in there. And I have one more bud, so let's use it. We're charging our customer for the stem, so we might as well use it. I think I'm going to go right over here with it. Alright, now we're just going to fill it in with some of our greenery. So I'm going to cut the branches down. And these have a nice little wire on them, so you can bend them kind of however you want them. See if I can get it in here without using my scissors. There we go. Get a bit of bend where how I want it. I'm going to just start filling in some holes with this greenery. We can cut them down into little bite-sized pieces where we want them. Okay, let's get this piece. I think our back looks pretty good. Let me work on our front here. Looking pretty good. Got one little piece of this greenery that came in that bundle. So I want to get it added because it's got a little bit different texture to it. So let me just see where I want it. I think I want it right up underneath that larger flower we put there. Okay, so I just tucked it right there, underneath that little flower. Beautiful. It's looking really pretty. I think we're just about done. Super easy and quick with just a few little elements. I think I want to add one little piece right in there. This is optional. Let's see, I've got one little piece here. Maybe we can make that one work without cutting up another branch. I have a little bit of a hole right here. Oh yeah, that worked out really good. Okay. Okay, y'all, here is our beautiful milk can arrangement. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick and easy arrangement with just a few supplies. Just a reminder, our Designer Circle membership group is open. We would love to have you guys over there if you're looking for more detailed instruction and some exclusive private tutorials. We would love to have you. You also get a good discount on all of our supplies that's in the shop. So hit that little join button. If you are new to our channel, we would love to have you subscribe. Hit that little notification bell and you'll be notified every time we have new tutorials. So until next time, bye y'all.